Uh-oh. Somebody lost an ATM sign. Sure enough. Yeah, got to get that over. Where this come from? Signs all on the floor. A lot of signs didn't make it. They turned this one off. This is the digital sign here. Wow. Knocked over this sign. People roof are fly. Where this roof come from? Yes, sir. Backside. This knocked over. She took a little hit. Not as bad as a lot of places, but whoa. Knock over this. Sign gone. Sign over here gone. It's a good little piece of damage I said. Look at this. Blow this back. Wow. A little meter gone and I left something. That's the park right there. These trees done got chopped up. They cleared the trees out the road. Woo. Look at this all the way across, man. To the background. They got to clean this up soon. It's the tourist area over here, Margaritaville, right around the corner. Dunn's River right up the road. That's the jerk center right there. Oh man, look at the park.